Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh today inaugurated a footbridge at Senapati headquarters through video conferencing from Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that the government is committed to bringing inclusive development in the state. Ahead of the upcoming by-election to Bishnupur Assembly constituency, an election campaign meeting of intending candidate Shanjoy Ahantem was held today at the Napat village Wata Lairembi Community Hall. The program was organized by Kumbi Kendra Progressive Front. The death toll due to a building collapse in Maharashtra's Bhiwandi city climbed to 39 today. The 36-year-old Jilani building had 48 flats in total, out of which 24 collapsed. As per a media report, the owner of the building, Syed Ahmed Jilani, has been booked for culpable homicide and negligence causing hurt and is still absconding. The coronavirus situation in India is showing signs of improvement as the Health Ministry said yesterday that more than 1 lakh people recovered in a single day. The Health Ministry said that it is focusing on increasing the number of daily tests for quicker detection of the virus. India is now conducting over 12 lakh daily tests and over 6.5 crore tests have been conducted across the country. New development organization Singjamai Oinam Thingil handed over St. Oinam Charlie Memorial Meritorious Award 2020 to meritorious students of Singjamai constituency in Imphal today. The Meritorious Award was handed over to the students at their residences. Extending help to people in COVID-19 containment zone in Wangkai constituency, workers of Thangjam Arun Kumar aspiring to contest the coming by-poll to Wangkai constituency distributed edibles to people of Wangkai constituency ward number 26 today. Heavy rainfalls in the past 2 days have caused landslides across the Darjeeling Sikkim region. Landslide near Eden Hospital OPD worried the locals, while National Highway 10, which connects Sikkim to rest of India, was shut down due to the landslide at 29th mile. As per media reports, landslides have been reported from some tea garden and electricity supply has been disrupted. The Ministry of Defense (MOD) is preparing to acquire 30 General Atomics MQ-9A Reaper drones from the United States in a deal valued at approximately $3 billion, rupees 22 crore. A recent series of meetings within the MOD has cleared the way for the procurement of an initial lot of 6 Reaper medium-altitude long-endurance drones.